Check the sound of angry Washingtonians cursing the use of noisy gas-powered leaf blowers in their neighborhoods. As Mike Carter-Canine reports, one very vocal group has even lobbied for D.C. Council legislation banning them.
While lawn care crews worked across the district in the blistering heat,
I find it impossible to work with this noise invading my workspace.
D.C. residents packed this hearing room to voice support or opposition to a couple of D.C. bills regulating noise. One bill, introduced by Ward 3 Councilmember Mary Che, would prohibit the sale and use of gasoline-powered leaf blowers in the district beginning in 2022, forcing businesses to transition to battery-powered leaf blowers.
Which are so much quieter. They're better for the operator. They're better for the neighbors.
But companies that do yard maintenance and landscaping say electric leaf blowers have less power and therefore take longer to do the same job.
It's not really solving your problem.
Jarrell Brown, owner of Save My Lawn Services, says banning gas-powered leaf blowers will only make lawn care in D.C. more expensive.
This is adding to our costs. It's going to take us longer, so the guys out there longer working.
Critics also question how this would be enforced.
I think it's much better to ask for the operators to, use modern equipment and use it responsibly and have courtesy towards your neighbors than it is to just ban things outright.
But at the hearing, other business owners disagreed, telling council members that battery technology has advanced, saving their employees from harmful noise and emissions.
I would not be here today if it were not viable to run a successful landscaping business using battery-powered equipment.
If the bill becomes law, violators would face a fine of up to $500. In Northeast Washington, Mike Carter-Canine, ABC 7 News.
All right, that kind of goes with summer. You expect to, smell the cut grass.
Right, that's true.
Right now, you just smell kind of a burning grass. I mean, everything out there
exactly
is so hot.
Yeah, it's very hot, dangerously hot. We're going to see that again tomorrow. There is relief in sight, though, within the extended period. So let me show you what it's like outside right now, the Iwo Jima Memorial there. A little bit of a breeze. You can see the flag blowing around. We'll use it as the backdrop. 93 is the temperature at Reagan National. We've dropped just slightly. 96 degrees in Gaithersburg, 94 around Manassas. You got 93 at Dulles right now. Ocean City a bit cooler at 84, but all of our feels-like temperatures are essentially up into that 105-plus range, with the exception of some of you, especially those of you off to the west where we have some showers. We'll show you that in a moment. 93 out the door at 7 o'clock. We'll go 89 at 9, 86 at 11. But the real story is the feels-like temperature. You go out after sunset, 8:37, got at 9. It's nearing 100 degrees even at that particular time, 94 at 11. So a very hot evening. We're going to see another heat advisory out for tomorrow. We are dry here around most of our region. The exception is back to the west, where we've seen showers and storms and some strong storms as well. Some heavy rain, a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. The severe thunderstorm warning that was up for Mineral County and surrounding areas has lifted. We still have the heat advisory that is up for tonight until 8 o'clock. Then again, it'll be up as we go into the day tomorrow. Air quality warning in effect as well. So not only hot, but the air quality not great. It really is a great afternoon to spend some time inside, or, of course, if you're outdoors, you need to be near water for sure. Lakes, rivers, if you're going to the shore, that type of thing. Even just playing around in sprinklers is going to help you. So tomorrow, here's the way it looks. Remaining hot, remaining very sticky. 82 at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. By 1, we're at 91. I expect us to get up into the mid to low 90s tomorrow. An outside chance of a stray thunderstorm around the region, mostly out west and mostly up to the north. Can't completely rule it out around the district. We're going to throw about a 20% chance, and there's a great part of me that would like to see that because it would help cool us down. 91 on your 4th of July, and the way that is looking is like this same thing, a chance for a shower at 5 o'clock, and into your fireworks forecast, temperatures into the 80s. Should be dry, should be a nice evening for that. Just hot and some relief by the weekend. You're watching ABC 7 News here at 6. We'll be right back.
When you're America's best value, you don't need to resort to conventional sales tactics like free donuts.
Oh, yeah.
The America's Best Value 4th of July event going on right now at Kia.
This is the sectional that serves the couple that saved Bandit. This is Kevin, who serves the suggestion that saves the living room. And this is the mattress that saves Brenda, who just served a double shift. Celebrate the 4th early at Big Lots. Select sofas are just $2.99. And save up to $400 on all Serta mattress sets. Serve big. Save lots. Big Lots.